Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Steve with Al Metal Dryer Vent. A little bit different today in a commercial setting. You used to be able to get a better view of downtown Charlotte, but they're building all these buildings, bam, 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 bam. But this is a hair salon. I'm here every year. I'm here a little bit earlier this time, so let's see what's going on. All right, so what I'm gonna do, like normal, I have the dryer running. Take these off. Look at that. Soaking wet. Soaking wet. And for you new guys to the channel, I don't know if you can see, but there are holes right there and here that these little nipples go into. Wow. Keep in mind, I was just here March of last year, and we're January, so but this is again, this is a commercial setting. Hair salon, actually, for dudes. There it is. All right, now I have, sorry, I don't want, that sun is, wow, that sun's bright. All right, I have some more work to do, but like I said, I was just here in March, I believe, of 23. So there's not much in there, but the moisture on the damper louvers up top, that was a clear sign. And then I hit that one spot that you saw in the video that it just, poof, it shot out, everything went dark. So I'm gonna go inside. This is a really, really high scale men's salon. So came video inside. But guys, always remember Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Go there, check out my Quick Connect Periscope. It takes the place of the flex hose behind your dryer. Your dryer just pushes straight back into it, guys. Give you guys a little view. They're building these new buildings here and here. Used to be a pretty decent view of downtown from up here, but you know, times change. So Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, thank you guys for watching.